In this video, we will be replacing the halogen bulbs on this 2012 Harley Davidson with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. The bulbs are located here, and we can access them by removing the assembly. We first need to remove the hood by loosening this screw. Make sure to hold the nut in place. Now we can remove the whole assembly and access the bulb. Unplug the bulb by lifting up the two tabs of the connector and pulling it straight out. Remove the bulb by turning it counterclockwise to unlock. We will be replacing it with this all-new LED light from Ayla Lighting. The base of the bulb matches the original halogen bulb for easy installation. Insert the bulb by lining up this top tab with this notch in the housing. And turn the bulb clockwise to lock it in place. Plug the new LED bulb in, and now we can replace the assembly. Line up this tab on the assembly with this notch. Push the assembly back in and replace the hood. It's easier to start with the screw on top. Replace the screw and nut. And begin tightening it, but not all the way. Now we can turn the hood until it's in the proper alignment. Once the screw is on the bottom, you can finish tightening the hood in place. Repeat these steps on the other side. Here's the 2012 Harley Davidson with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. You can see the difference in brightness and color temperature from the original halogen bulb.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.